Welcome to Maydeck Walk, where the facts are fun, fast, and totally mind-blowing. Today, let's learn few facts which are generally not known to us. Number 1. Your eyes can distinguish around 10 million colors. Your eyes are incredibly powerful. Scientists estimate they can detect around 10 million different colors. That's more shades than any digital screen can display. Each eye contains special photoreceptor cells that respond to red, green, and blue light. The brain then mixes these signals to perceive color. That's how you can tell the difference between teal, turquoise, and aquamarine, even if your phone can't. Your eyes are more powerful than any camera. Just don't forget where you put your glasses. 2. You are taller in the morning than at night. Did you know you shrink a little bit every day? When you sleep, your spine stretches out slightly because you're lying down and free from gravity's constant pull. But once you get up and start walking, gravity begins to compress the soft disc between your vertebrae. By the end of the day, you can be up to half an inch, 1.5 centimeters, shorter than you were in the morning. Don't worry, it's temporary. A good night's rest resets it. That's it. Hope you liked it. See you with another fun fact soon. Please like, follow, and subscribe.